Yeah. Arusha is changing as quickly as the lightning. Yeah. From Kilimanjaro International Airport, things are being done all the way to AFCON Stadium. This shows that they have really decided to make a big change for this coming tournaments, AFCON tournaments.
Greetings, Internet. Welcome to Mujubeli's journey once again. Once again. Yeah. I hope you enjoy watching my videos because, I'm bringing almost every day new information of what is happening in Arusha, Tanzania, especially the places that are surrounding my working environment. So wherever I'll be going, I'll be showing you what's up. And you know how we do. Yeah. So please subscribe, share, comment. This guy, Mujubeli, will always bring you this stuff. So see what is happening on this road. I was here when nothing was happening. But look what is happening now. Man, even me, it confuses me sometimes because things are happening with the lightning speed, This place here was horrible just 2 months ago. If it was raining, you couldn't go. But now, my people, welcome to Arusha. And if you have never thought of buying a land in Arusha, this is the time. You see how it is? You see how the roads are being made big, 4 lanes. Yo, it's not a joke, man. This is Arusha for you. So prepare to come for AFCON matches because when you come, Arusha will never be the same. So plan not to miss. And please watch my video from the start till the end. Today I'm just bringing you the progress. So yeah, I'm so happy and I'm so fascinated to see the changes that are happening in my environment. I think that will be to anybody who loves his own environment. So I want to share with you. So please subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that there is this guy who shows you all this. Yeah. Without being said, let's continue to watch the video. Let's put our energy and our thoughts into this time where everybody's focusing on preparation for the AFCON so that everything will go well, and by the time people are coming for matches, everything should be standing up in the right direction. We don't want bad thoughts. We don't want people to think of us in a negative way. Tanzania is #1, especially when it comes to infrastructure. I know we are good at it, so we're going to do it. Yes, we're going to do it. So congratulations to the government. I know the government is doing excellent. So let's go together, and I hope I don't need to talk much because everything that you are seeing is reality. I just filmed this on the 3rd July 2026, and it is what it is. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. You know how we do. So let's go. I'll stop talking now. Let's go and you see what is happening. Okido.
guys, I'm right here at the AFCON Stadium. As you can see, things are popping, things are happening. Yeah, Arusha is changing as quickly as the lightning. Yeah. So now you see I see there's visitors on the ground right there, but I don't want to get focused on them. I just want to show you how the roads or construction is going on around here. So let's go and I show you. So guys, you are watching this. I want you to see how the new roads will be looking like. I don't know if I'm too fast or I'm too slow. Okay. I don't want to take you very quickly so that you can see. This is the vibe we are getting right now. Last time I was here, this was nothing. This was just a forest. But little by little now you can start seeing things are happening, you know? Things are happening on this side. So believe you me, maybe after 3 to 4 months, this place here will be completely different. So you know what to do. I will always be here to show you what is happening. So come, let's continue. I'll show you more and more and more. So there are more than 4 roads, I think. Yeah, I'm always confused. When I come here, I'm always confused. I feel like there is more and more roads every day. But let's continue. I show you. Far behind there, if you are keen enough, you will see the main road that is tarmac, the East African road. So right now it looks even closer. You know, I don't know what is happening with the speed of construction here, but this is the lightning speed. I'm telling you, this is something else. So let's go on this side and so that we can see what is happening. You know what to do. We are right here giving you some info about the AFCON City, AFCON Stadium. Yeah! Look at the details, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. The details are almost done. I'm seeing like almost the details are about to finish. As you can see, guys, the details here, they're amazing. The details here are amazing, and I'm so fascinated with this what is happening here, because every day when I come here I have this documentation, and I can certainly say when it's over, when you go back and look at my videos, you will get to know more. You will get to know more of how this construction was, you know. But let's see how the roads look like now. They put this one here. I think this is to know what is happening, like concerning the how do you call the land? Yeah. But anyway, I want you to show you this. I'm at the heap here. This heap of dirt is where now you can easily access the view of this Stadium. For now, it's easier to do this than going around, because I don't have a drone, so I can do any drone footage. But yeah, at least you can see the roads on that side. I can't see them that well, but you remember there was a house here. It's now demolished. See that? So there is a lot of things is happening. A lot of things is happening. And I'm so happy and grateful for my government to see they're doing this. From the airport, from Kilimanjaro International Airport, things are being done all the way to the AFCON Stadium. This shows that they have really decided to make a big change for these coming tournaments, AFCON tournaments. With that being said, my people, thank you so much and welcome to other videos that I've been doing, so that you can learn and know what is happening on the ground. Yeah, but also I have a video that talks about how do you get your visas and your permits to come to Tanzania. Go in that video. I have a little bit information about it, so that you can learn once you want to come to Tanzania. You know 1, 2, 3 steps of what you can do before you arrive at the immigration offices in Tanzania. So with that being said, thank you so much. Smash that like button, and you know what to do. Subscribe. Thank you so much. Adios till the next one. Bye-bye.